Have you ever felt like your mind is running a marathon it didn't sign up for? Like no matter how much you try to slow it down, the thoughts just keep coming faster, louder, and more overwhelming. Overthinking doesn't just steal your time, it steals your peace, your joy, and your ability to live in the moment. But what if I told you this? You don't have to live like this. Overthinking is like being trapped in quicksand. The harder you struggle, the deeper you sink. It's the voice in your head that questions every decision, replays every mistake, and creates problems that don't even exist yet. It's important to stop overthinking because it holds you back from growth, clarity, and happiness. Overthinking doesn't protect you from failure, it paralyzes you with fear. The truth is, the time and energy you spend analyzing every detail could be spent taking action, learning, and growing. So let me ask you, how much of your life are you losing to overthinking? You have two choices: stay in your comfort zone and let overthinking control you. It's safe, it's familiar, and you don't have to face the fear of failure. But you'll also stay stuck, replaying the same cycle over and over again. Or, choose action. Learn to quiet your mind, take control, and focus on what you can do right now. It's uncomfortable at first. It's scary to trust yourself and take steps forward without analyzing every detail. But this path leads to growth, freedom, and a life where you're finally in control. Every day, whether you realize it or not, you're making this choice. So which one will it be? If you're watching this video, you're probably tired of feeling stuck. You've spent too many sleepless nights going over the same worries. You've replayed conversations, imagined worst-case scenarios, and asked yourself, what if, a million times. But let's be honest, has any of that helped? Has overthinking ever solved the problem or made you feel better? Probably not. The reason overthinking feels so hard to stop is because your brain thinks it's helping. It's trying to prepare you, protect you, and solve every problem before it even happens. But in reality, overthinking isn't preparation, it's procrastination. It's avoiding action by staying trapped in your mind. Here's the truth, overthinking is like a car stuck in neutral. No matter how much you press the gas, you're not moving forward. But what if you could shift into drive with just a small change in perspective? Let me introduce you to the one-step rule. The one-step rule is simple: when your mind starts racing, focus on one small step you can take in the present moment. Instead of worrying about an entire project, write the first sentence. Instead of replaying a conversation, send a quick follow-up text. Instead of imagining every way something could go wrong, ask yourself, what's the very next thing I can do to make it go right? Here's why this works: action is the antidote to overthinking. When you focus on doing, your brain has less time to overanalyze. And here's something else to remember: overthinking thrives on the illusion of perfection. But progress, even messy progress, is always better than standing still. So here's what I want you to do: pause for a moment when you feel overwhelmed by thoughts. Stop what you're doing and take a deep breath. This interrupts the cycle. Write it down. Take those swirling thoughts and put them on paper. It's amazing how much clarity you gain when your worries aren't trapped in your head. Take one step. Pick one small, doable action you can take right now. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be something. And commit to doing this every time you feel your mind spiraling. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to take the next step. A year from now, imagine looking back at this moment. What if today was the day you stopped letting overthinking control your life? What if you started trusting yourself, taking action, and finally living the life you've been imagining? Remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward, one small step at a time. Because the truth is, the only thing standing between you and the life you want isn't the challenges you face, it's the way you think about them. Change how you think, and everything else will follow.